I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Toyota Tundra's software. Keeping your vehicle's multimedia system up to date is essential for the best experience. These updates often bring new features, improve existing ones like cloud navigation, and ensure your system runs smoothly. We will cover the two main methods: over-the-air updates and using a USB drive, making the process straightforward for you. For a wireless update, first ensure your Tundra has a strong Wi-Fi connection or active cellular data. On your multimedia screen, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Software Update. The system will automatically check for any available updates. If one is found, simply follow the on-screen prompts to accept the terms and begin the download and installation. The process will continue in the background. If a wireless update isn't feasible, you can use a USB drive. First, visit the official Toyota website to download the correct software update file for your Tundra. Ensure your USB drive is formatted to FAT32 and has at least 4 GB of space. Insert this USB drive into your vehicle's USB port. Then, on your multimedia system, go to Settings, select Software Update, and choose the USB option to begin. During any software update, it is crucial to keep your Tundra's engine running to maintain a stable power supply. Do not turn off the vehicle or the multimedia system while the installation is in progress. The system may restart several times, which is a normal part of completing the update. For specific navigation map updates, or if you encounter any issues, your local Toyota dealership can provide expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.